Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the emoji locations in Dress and Press game of Roblox new Easter update. So guys, in this Easter update, you need to find 5 emojis, and each emoji has its own code. Then you can redeem the code for a special reward. Okay, go to the city and go to this map, and you will see 5 emojis that you need to find. For me, I need to find the rainbow emoji and the check emoji. And for the first location, guys, I'm going to go to the cat cafe and just go straight forward, and we'll find this box, and we'll see check emoji, and it's 4. Okay, for the check, the code is 4. And then I'm going to go to the next location, guys. The location will be different for every account. I'm going to go to the cat cafe, and you will see the emoji on this wall, but not for me, guys. Maybe for your account, you can find on the wall. So you can try to look for the wall on the cat cafe. The next one, I'm going to go to the dog statue. It's right there. And you will see an emoji right here. Okay, this is the rainbow emoji, and the code is 1. And also for the code, it will be different for everyone. And the emoji that you need to find will be different from mine, guys. For me, I need to look for rainbow and chick, but for you, maybe you need to look for the bunny emoji or the combination of bunny, rainbow, or chick. For me, I just need to find 2 type of emojis, but maybe for you, you need to find 3 or 4. And the next emoji is going to be the bunny emoji. To find the bunny emoji, I'm going to go to the Lana's apartment, and we will find the emoji right here on the locker. And for the bunny, it's 2. But I don't need the bunny, guys, because I just need a rainbow and also chick. And for the last one, it's right here. But again, it's not for me, guys. But for you, you might need to visit this area to get the emoji. It's right here on the box. And I'm going to go to the map and check my emojis again. Rainbow, rainbow, check, rainbow, rainbow. So it's 114 and 11. Just go to the redeem menu and let's enter the code 11411 and click on redeem. Then you will get this dress and also this, I don't know what it is called, hat. And okay guys, that's how you can find all the emojis in Trust and Press is their update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.